Or could it be an attack at sea in a tiny kayak? A routine fishing trip that turns into a terrifying ordeal. An attack that never seems to end by one of the world's most powerful oceanic predators.
The great white shark.
In Australia's top end lies Kakadu National Park, an untouched wilderness the size of Florida. It's one of the most remote and beautiful places on Earth, boasting rugged, dramatic escarpments which tower above the sprawling wetlands.
Definitely going to show it soon now.
And during the wet season, floodwaters swamp the lowlands, making Kakadu even more isolated and remote.
Kakadu is one of the natural wonders of the world. It's a place that's humming with life. It's a tourist mecca and a croc mecca. And when you put those two together, it can result in some exciting times. And unfortunately, in this case, a tragic time. Crocodiles were hunted in the 60s and the 70s and almost live to extinction. The hunters really targeted the big animals. And so they're the ones that were shot out. And a moratorium was put in place, which stopped all shooting. And since that time, since the mid-70s, they actually recovered quite rapidly.
Crocodiles would soon prove they were down.
It's crazy how she launches it against us, so she can force it down.
You start to get some of these small animals coming through and populating the river systems.
Even though crocs are perfectly adapted to this environment, reproduction is tough, and very few young survive. Going into a trance-like state,
you're gonna have to edit the hell out of this.
From 40 to 60 eggs at a time.
So what?
The hatchlings
So you're gonna have to edit the mess out of
large
this.
fish, turtles, even other crocodiles.
You're gonna take the light away too.
Crocodiles in Kakadu were making a strong comeback, but it was only a matter of time before they would once again collide with people. And one of the most notorious human encounters in 1985 was Val Plumwood, who was not only savagely attacked, but death-rolled not once, but 3 times. Val Plumwood was a world-renowned eco-activist with a
Look at her upside down.
Nice.
Bring her face to face with a living dinosaur and put her into the record books as Australia's most famous crocodile woman.
She's in a long and venerable tradition, considered an important modern environmental philosopher to the degree that she was included within a recent book as one of the 30 greatest environmental philosophers of all time, including people like Buddha. She knew a plant, she knew her animals, she lived her environment.
A quarter of a century might have passed, but Kakadu District Supervisor Greg Miles and his partner Jane will never forget the day Val Plumwood came to the national park on one of her many solo treks.
I think she has a cartoon face now. Peanut, back up.
For her to give us some advice on a walking trail. I thought what a great golden opportunity to have somebody like this who could actually test it for us. And so I was keen that she actually have a look at the alignment of the trail and
Yummy.
an opinion about it.
Val set out on her own, but because it's the wet season,